In this video, I'll show you how to add custom CSS to WordPress. Let's get started. In order to make this possible, we need to head over and edit this particular page. Let's click on this edit page right here. And then once we have clicked on that, we should be able to see the block editor of WordPress itself. So here it is right here. What we can do is we can scroll down on your left sidebar and you should be able to see this additional CSS. Now you can head over and then add some code or CSS that you want to use for this one. So for the CSS, I actually use this powered by WordPress display none right here in order to make this possible. Now you can just input any code that you want for this, and as you can see, when I input this particular code, the powered by Woo has been removed. So you can actually use this to remove some parts of your page or post, or you can also change the color using this additional CSS, but it totally depends on you. Click on the save changes right here in order to save the changes that you have made. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like, below, or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.